Okay, Tornado Girl. Alright, Simon, shut up. I'm recording. Just bright. Rock Slide Barrage. Oh, we're gonna die, Brody. Extinguisher, Meteor plus Gal Slow.
Yeah, that's the new thing.
Yeah. Is she gonna attack? Oh, she's 12 SPA. Oh, what is that? Freaking green hieroglyphics? Alright, Tornado of Terror. Oh my god. She's a little good. She's most definitely meta if her slow does what I think it does. That should be good enough to tell you why. Can you place more than one? She only does 2.81 million, but she has a slow, full AoE.
With 110 range.
Yeah. Sure, the SBA is really bad, so is the damage. But that's a slow.
I need to see it side by side. Can you delete this one in front real quick?
Sure.
Oh, that slow lasts like 2 seconds.
How long does it last?
Not very long.
I'll be honest, I don't even see him slowing down.
I think it's bugged.
Probably. Oh, they do slow
No,
down.
it's definitely doing something. It's just not very good.
Now, what if we stack that with Sunburn and Blackbeard?
I don't think you can stack it with Sunburn, but I think you can stack it with regular slow.
Yeah, for sure regular slow, but I don't know about Sunburn like you said. Well, I guess that's the end. Might be the last showcase until I get one of 2 units.